Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I would love to invite you over for a cup of coffee. I can guarantee it would be a great cup thanks to this awesome French press. This is by Jeff's Choice. Now, I've had French presses in the past and there was a few things I didn't like about them. So when I was looking for a new one, I really wanted to find a good quality one. That's exactly what you can get out of this one. It is made with a nice thick borosilicate glass. Thanks to the metal features, it also feels nice and secure. The metal is firmly glued onto the glass, and even the top with the press is all made out of metal. You have a nice plastic handle, making it easy to use when it has very hot water in it. What I also really like about it is that it's super easy to clean. So at the bottom of the base of the press, they have a part that allows you to unscrew it and completely separate the filter from the press itself. And they included extra filters for when you're ready to change it out. It has a double filter system, ensuring that you don't get any coffee grounds in your coffee. I've been super impressed when using this press because you even get a froth on the coffee after you follow the instructions. Now, we know that coffee makes a big difference from the beans, but it also makes a big difference to have a good quality French press like this one. So if you'd like to come over for a cup of coffee, join me and we'll enjoy it together thanks to this beautiful French press. But that's just my point of view.